60 seconds is all you need to make $5.89. Now you hear right. Every 60 seconds you can earn $5.89 over and over again. Now I want you to have a look at this $5, $7, $10 and even up to $20 sending right into your PayPal account. This is something new and unique. No other people are speaking about this strategy. Now I'm not sure why, as if they are trying to maintain this as a secret and silently making money by themselves. You know what? I believe that's pretty selfish as always. I don't care about that. My target for today in this video is to assist you in getting results and making your first $100, $300 or even $500. The very early potential here is endless and also the sky is the limit. With the money you earned, you could get more time financial freedom. Maybe you might purchase a new home or a new car, maybe get a new phone or a computer. A few of you could want to pay off your debt or provide back to your family and your loved ones. Several of essential things that you can accomplish and do with the money you make. All of it begins with this video. As well as in just a couple of minutes, I will reveal to you everything step by step right here on this video. As well as, don't worry, it's absolutely cost free, no investment is needed. This is available in all countries in the world. But before we start, welcome to our channel and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you will be notified. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any concerns, questions or opinions about the video, leave a comment down below. Now let's start the video. First of all, I desire you to go onto the YouTube and search for the keyword which is motivational video. From there, you will able to find various videos posted by other people. They are getting hundreds of millions of views on this website. Currently, don't worry. You don't have to create any one of your videos. There is no YouTube, no camera. This video intends to reveal a unique trick on generating income and earning PayPal money from other people's YouTube videos. Currently, check this offer in this video right here. No excuses, the best motivational video. Over 37 million views. And right here, this one 58 million views. There is a lot of people interested in the motivational video. Currently, proceeding to the following step. I want you to select 3 videos from this entire list right here. As well as I open up this video on another different tab. And from there, that's the initial YouTube video since you stop wasting time. Best motivational video. And proceeding to the second video out from there. That's the third video that's open up. That's all. You are going to provide for step number 1. Select 3 different YouTube videos in this category. So from there, we will go on to the step number 2. And also I desire you to go on Uiiio and you can gain fast PayPal money and get paid every single time people click on your web link. Once again, this is 100% free. You don't have to invest any money, no credit card and don't need to sell anything or refer any person. There is no affiliate marketing included. As well as an idea right here is truly simple. You have to create a cost-free account on Uiiio and move on to shorten your link. And I will reveal to you exactly how to do it in just a moment. As well as finally, every single time people click on your shortened web link, you are going to get in PayPal money. That's exactly how people from several countries worldwide get paid PayPal money every day. You can see your $12, $20, $19 repeatedly and you can get paid per click. Depending on who clicking on your link, you are going to get paid in various amounts of cash. Take as an example, people from the United Kingdom, when they click on your web link, you will get $7 US. As well as, let's simply claim, people from Norway, when they click on your web link, you are going to get paid $5. You can take a look at all the different ways below on their website. When they have the exact same concept to shorten their web link and get people to click on your web link and earn money repeatedly. So that's preciously our entire technique. We are most likely to go on to the YouTube and discover various videos. Just like I need to choose 3 different YouTube videos. And also from there, we will scroll down as well as search for the share button as you can see right here. Click on the share button as well as you are able to find a YouTube web link. As you can see right here, it's a YouTube web link. I can click copy to copy this web link right here. As well as generally when people click on this link, they are going to YouTube and watch this motivational video. Yet our approach right here is to reveal this YouTube web link. We are going to copy this link and we are going to return to Uiiio to shorten this YouTube web link and make it shorter. Once again, in just a moment, I will reveal to you exactly how to do this by making use of a new account. When people click on your shortened link, as well as you are going to get paid. But the next question is how we can get people to click on our link, and move on to the following question, how we can get free visitors and free traffic and get people to click on our link. That's the trouble. And that's where I wish to reveal this copy and paste script as you can see right here. Basically, the name of the script is Motivate Yourself Like Never Before. And also, this is the entire article that I prepare for you. As well as, we are going to utilize this script right here where you can copy and also paste. And we will merely enter and insert your shortened link right into this column as you can see below. So, all we need to do is copy and highlight the entire script below and going to click on copy and copy this script. It's just a moment. I will show you exactly how you can utilize this copy and paste template to receive PayPal money every day. Yet before that, let me show you how to sign up for a totally free account. All you need to do is click on this button to sign up free, which will take you through these pages as you can see right here. We can register for a free and new membership. All you need to do is place your username, email, password and register for free of cost. From there, once you log into your brand new account, that's what you are visiting currently. Generally, you can see how many clicks you are getting and also the amount of money you are getting every single day. Now, of course, if you log into a new account, you see 0 right there because you still have not shortened any web link. And I want to show this precise example utilizing a brand new account, starting from scratch. So that if you are watching now, you can exactly copy everything I revealed to you and start making PayPal cash. Now we are going to do is click on this button, new shortened link, and from there it's going to open this box as you can see below. So what are you going to do right now? Go back to YouTube. For example, if this will be the initial video that I selected recently and all I need to do is click the share button and copy this YouTube URL link. From there, I simply go back to my dashboard and also paste this web link right here into this box. For the alias, you can type in Motivate1. Click the shorten button as you can see here. Choose it up automatically to help us to shorten this YouTube URL link into a very special uii.io shortened link. Whenever people click on this link right here, they are going to YouTube and begin watching this video as well as you can earn money per click. Right now, you need to copy this shortened web link right here. And we need to go back to our copy and paste script. Scroll down below and look for this section to paste our shortened link right into this column. So now we will repeat the exact point by moving on to the second column to put in one more second web link. Now the more link that you take into, the even more cash you are going to make since the even more people were clicking on them. So that's the reason I desire you to discover different videos on YouTube. Let's state this is the second video right here. All I need to do is repeat the same strategy. Click on the share button and copy that URL link. It would go back to a dashboard, delete everything and paste that link right here. This for the second video and you can type in alias motivate number 2 and click the shorten button. As you can see right here, that's the second web link right here, motivate number 2. So just going to click on the copy button. Once again, return to a script. Scroll down below and paste the web link onto the second section. Now you can repeat this as high as you desire. Normally, I just put 3 web links onto one specific document of one template. Right now, as soon as you are putting your shortened web link into the document, all you need to do is click on File, click Download and also download this as a PDF document. As you can see below, I have successfully downloaded this PDF onto my computer and also I can begin uploading them on the final website. So moving on to the final step. There are many people, a lot of free traffic and people were clicking on our shortened link. So today I want you to go on to slideshare.net. So generally on this website, people are uploading various documents and various slides to share different information with other people. For example, this is just one of the slides right here, one of the documents. From that, this is just one of the example of a document and a slide that people upload on slideshare.com. Once more, you can sign up for a cost-free account. All you need to do is click on the sign up button right on top. That's going to take you to this page where you can sign up for a totally free account. From there, you can click on the upload button right on the top, which will take you to this page where you can upload a file, and that's where we can post the PDF file right here on slideshare.net. As you can see right here, exactly on slideshare.net, they have over 169 million monthly site visitors. There are a lot of people who come over to this website and they are aiming to find out something. They are discovering some new skills, some new knowledge, and that's you can share this file for free to other people, where people can keep reading them to get some free value. As well as if they wish to find out more information or if they wish to watch a video, they can click on your specific web link and go on to YouTube and begin watching this video, which is super top quality. They are getting over millions of views on YouTube. And this is a win-win situation. You need to share a great video with other people, and at the same time you can earn money per click right into your PayPal account. That's the reason exactly how people from different countries worldwide are able to earn money 5, 7, over 50 or hundreds of dollars every day by utilizing this approach. As always, thank you for watching. I hope you get some value out of this video, and that's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Hit the like button, and I will see you in some of my following videos.